Blue vertical flags for Simmons. Text, Doctor of Physical Therapy at Simmons College.
Students come to Simmons and should come to Simmons if they want to develop a relationship with faculty and have mentoring.
Coming from a big state school, I felt like more of a...
Students do hands-on work in physical therapy under supervision of instructors. Text, Jason Pelletier, 17HS, post-baccalaureate student. Dae-Ayu Choi, PT, DPT, 14HS, Wellbridge Physical Therapy, post-baccalaureate alum.
And here, every professor knows me and knows what kind of my strengths and weaknesses are.
The professors are very knowledgeable, but at the same time, they're very reachable. I personally was able to just knock on the door and ask questions.
The faculty sees the students not as students, but as colleagues or future colleagues.
All of our faculty here are either in clinic practicing or are currently doing research.
The previous speaker was Ahmed Dashatar, PhD, assistant professor. This speaker is Colleen Dooley, 16, 18HS, 3+3 student. Next speaker, Neha Shah, 14, 16HS, 3+3 student.
It's really helpful to have someone who's still using these techniques and is always on the cutting edge of what's happening.
The faculty are preparing us really well for the board exams. Professors give us good strategies starting from the beginning and how we could study for them.
The biggest part of the curriculum that helped prepare me for the board exam was the emphasis on problem solving.
Katie O'Malley, PT DPT, 15HS, Spalding Outpatient Clinic, post-baccalaureate alum.
We have students work in small groups every semester that they're here on campus to work through case-based scenarios, paper patients if you will, so that they get to see the whole picture of patient care.
Amy Heath, PT, DPT, PhD, 01, 03HS. Department Chair, Associate Professor of Practice.
With the tutorial, what you would be given was a pretend patient case, a diagnosis, age, what a patient likes to do, and then you were told to research. It really gave me good practice once I was out in the clinic to figure out how to ask particular questions, how to look up research.
The Simmons students ask really great questions and they know how to find answers efficiently.
Because we expose our students to problem-based learning very early on in the curriculum, and they are in the clinics pretty early on. The feedback that we have gotten from our clinical partners is that your students are really on the top of their game.
Being here with a ton of different hospitals that are all fantastic, it's easy to get clinicals at and later a job, and it's a great way to make connections.
It might seem like a lot of hard work when you're here.
Previous speaker, Amber Peterson, 18, 20HS, 3+3 student. Current speaker, Gregory Chaplin, 17HS, post-baccalaureate student.
But you realize that when you go out there and you're in the clinic, that people respect Simmons. And they know the Simmons name, even though we're such a small school.
There's two primary tracks to get into the DPT program at Simmons. One is the 3+3 early assurance track, and the second is for students who are post-baccalaureates. So there are students who already have a bachelor's degree from another institution.
I was directly accepted into the 3+3 program, so my 4th year of undergrad is also my 1st year of grad school.
I came to Simmons as a post-bac. I actually went to University of Illinois for undergrad in history.
I went to Kent State University in Ohio. I did aviation management.
As long as you've taken those prerequisite courses and we can know that you're going to be prepared to be in the physical therapy program, we're happy to take on students who have had a different career path.
There were a couple of different reasons why I chose Simmons, but ultimately it was really the feeling of community when I came to visit. It was, the interactions with the professors, everybody was welcoming, all the students were really excited that I was here and were very excited to tell me how awesome Simmons was.
Text, Simmons College. Your moment. Your move. Your Simmons. Where leaders make themselves.